I built a 10K a month online business with one skill, right? And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how literally any of you guys, right, can just use one skill and make 10K a month. And I promise you guys, it's literally so easy, okay? Now, for you to make 10K a month, for you to make 20K a month, 30K a month, 100K a month, whatever it is that you want to do, right? All of you guys, rather than work a 9-to-5 job, because I know a lot of people work a 9-to-5 job, and I used to myself, back in the UK, I used to work a 9-to-5 job and slave away, you know, work for someone else, come home with about 2 grand a month, right? Barely survive, by the way. And I was doing that for a long time before I decided, you know, I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, quit my 9-to-5 job, pack my bags, and I moved to Dubai, right? That's where I am currently, as you can see from the backdrop behind me. But yeah, I took a big risk. I quit my job, moved to Dubai. I started my own online business, and now I make well over 6 figures a year. Life is amazing. I have freedom, and I get to make videos with backdrops like this now. But yeah, life's completely changed. But my point is, right, I did this all with one skill, okay? All I did was help other people build their own online business. And that's basically what I do. I work with people, help them build their own online business, help them use their own one skill that they already have, which I like to call the one skill consulting business model, so that they can have financial freedom, make money online, not have to rely on anyone else, and completely change their life, right? So a lot of you guys have a skill that is worth 10K a month, 20K a month, 30K a month, 40K a month, whatever it is. You guys have a skill that you can literally sell, right? Now let me give you guys an example. There's a woman here in Dubai, funny enough, teaching people how to knit, okay? Now she makes just under 20 grand a month, right? Now 20 grand a month for knitting, I mean, we can all agree knitting's not a high level skill, but she's still able to leverage that skill, right? And make 20 grand a month, which is absolutely crazy. There's another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. I think he makes around 80 grand a month, which is, again, insane. And there's another person teaching people how to get a six-pack. He makes around 160K a month, right? Now these numbers are crazy. 160K a month, 80K a month, 20K a month, all of these numbers, right, just show what's possible. There's actually someone else that I found out recently. He's teaching people how to row, right? Now that person's making, I think it's around 100K a month, which is absolutely insane, okay? Which is just teaching people how to row, which is nothing crazy. The point of this video is that any skill that you guys have, you can sell it, leverage it, and you can make money. It's literally as simple as that. And I like to call it the one skill consulting business model, right? Which is basically where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients. Now, just a quick one. If you guys are interested and you want to start your own online business, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to over 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you, okay? But guys, for you to actually start this business model, it's extremely simple, right? And I'm going to give you guys the blueprint as well. So all you have to do first, identify a skill that you're good at. Now this can be absolutely anything. It doesn't have to be something crazy. It doesn't have to be something major. All it has to be is a skill that you're good at, which you can sell to someone else, okay? Now I gave you the knitting example for a specific reason, because it doesn't need to be a special skill, right? Knitting, we can all agree, is not a special skill, but if she's making 20 grand a month doing it, that just shows what's possible, right? And I've had a lot of clients that have done extremely well. I had a guy that was teaching people how to buy property for the first time. He did really well. He ran ads. I think he got over 180 book calls in a month, which is absolutely insane. Made thousands and thousands of pounds in a month. I have a client right now who's 16. Well, he's just recently turned 17. He's got about 5-6 clients at his age, so he's making around 5 grand a month. I've got another client who was 21, who made 25 grand from his first YouTube video, which is absolutely insane. Guys, it just shows you what's possible, right? Because not only obviously am I making money and, you know, living a good life, but my clients are doing extremely well. Like, I'm extremely proud of the clients that I have, because all of them are doing well, all of them are working really hard, and all of them are getting insane results. And this is why I'm making this video, because I want to show you guys what's actually possible. A lot of people think that it's impossible to make money online. A lot of people think that, you know, to make 10K a month, 20K a month, you know, you need to be absolutely mad intelligent, or you need to have a mad qualification, all of that stuff. Guys, that's not the case, right? Like, you don't need to have a mad qualification. University's a scam. I made this point in many different videos. You don't need a government to tell you that, you know, you've got a skill that you can sell. No, as long as you can sell something, furthermore, as long as you know something better than some other people, you can sell it to them. It's as simple as that. So all you guys have to do is identify a skill. Now, once you've identified a skill, right, what you then need to do is package it into an offer, right? So all you have to do is basically find out exactly who you're targeting, who's after your skill, right? You need to also find out what you're charging. So for example, it needs to be high ticket, right? So nothing like $200, nothing like that. You need to charge minimum and I mean minimum 2 grand, right? And even that's low in my opinion. So 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand, 5 grand, something along those lines, right? Now, obviously, your price will be dependent on what skill you're selling. It's also dependent on the people you're targeting. Because, for example, if the people you're targeting can't afford 5 grand, then there's no point in having a 5 grand pricing offer, right? Now, this is something obviously I go through a little bit more in my coaching program, where if you are interested, by the way, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to over 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But once you have your offer, once you've put everything into like a nice little packaged offer, you've got your duration of your program, you've got your pricing of your program, all of that kind of stuff, then all you have to do is start creating content, right? Now, this is where a lot of people don't like to, get involved in. A lot of people talk to me and say, you know what, I'm a private person, I like to keep a private life. And my argument is, look, at the end of the day, if no one knows you exist, if no one knows your business exists, then no one's going to pay you, right? Marketing is single-handedly one of the most important things in life. You need to be able to market, right? And marketing is extremely easy in today's day and age because anyone can pick up a camera and just start filming. Like, guys, I'm not filming this from any fancy camera. I'm literally using my iPhone, right? I picked up my iPhone, I've got a nice little flash which I use, and that's it. Like, I'm literally filming this from my phone. I have a better camera at home, but I choose to record on this because it comes through more raw, it comes through more authentic, right? Like, this is me being raw and authentic with you guys, and it comes through a lot better than, filming on a fancy camera and all that kind of stuff. We live in today's day and age where you do not need a fancy camera. You just need to be able to grab your phone and just start filming. And this is the beauty about having your own personal brand, because a personal brand is personal to you. There's not going to be someone else filming content exactly like you. Like, there's no one else filming content. I mean, normally I film on my balcony, but no one else filming content like me, maybe like where I'm filming at the moment, or another guy that looks exactly like me talking about the same exact things, right? That's not how it works. So that's why a personal brand is so amazing, because a personal brand represents you, right? And it's different from everyone else, and you already stand out from everyone else, as I mentioned, because there's no one else doing the exact same thing that looks exactly like you, speaks exactly like you, etc., right? So all you guys need to do, to be honest, start a YouTube channel, right? Create content, send them to a landing page, and then you start booking in calls, right? And then all you've got to do on those calls is pitch your program. Guys, it has never been any easier to make money online than in 2026, right? We are now in a position where literally 16-year-olds are grabbing their phone, filming content and making money. Whereas there are grown men, right? 30, 40, 50, going to work, working for someone else, coming home with 2 grand a month, right? Now, again, I'm not shitting on these people because I used to be that guy. I used to go to work for someone else, right? And come home with 2 grand a month, work 40 hours a week. I used to hate my boss, but it was what it was. I had to do what I had to do, right? But then when I realized I can make money online, when I realized that this life can happen, I was like, I'm going to go all in, because why not? Worst case scenario, I go back to my 9-to-5 job. So that's why I took the risk. That's why I moved to Dubai. Like, guys, look at my settings, right? This is where I am currently filming content, which is incredible. If you guys told me maybe 4 or 5 years ago I'd be doing what I'm doing now, I probably wouldn't even believe it, right? Because my mindset back then was very different to what it is now. I used to be very negative. I used to feel like it's not possible, right? And I was very, I was very introverted as well, right? I was never an extrovert. I'd never be able to pick up a camera and start filming myself back then, like, no chance, right? I made a mad 360, and that's all because rather than thinking about it, rather than worrying about it, I was like, yo, I'm just going to take action, because who cares? Who cares if I film content? Who cares if I, just pick up a camera and just start doing what I'm doing? People are going to talk shit regardless, right? Because a lot of people feel like the family's going to watch it, the friends are going to watch it and make fun of them. Who cares? At the end of the day, if you're going to make money, right, and you're going to change your life, do you really care about the opinions of people that, to be honest, aren't going to change your life? Because at the end of the day, you've got to understand, no one's coming to save you. Only you can save yourself, right? Only the actions you take are going to make you rich, no one else, right? So you need to start taking action. You need to say to yourself, you know what, I'm going to quit my 9-to-5 job. Obviously, I'm not recommending quitting straight away, but what I mean by that is start an online business, build it. Once you make enough money, you can quit your job, right? Then you're not tied down, to a job. You're not tied down to a geographical location. That's the beauty of making money online. Because, guys, I remember when I used to wake up, go to work and, oh my God, waking up early and, listening to my boss's bullshit, coming home with 2 grand a month was barely enough to survive. I remember going through all of that, right? And now Like, my life is, I can't even explain to you guys what my life is like. I wake up whatever time I want. I can travel wherever I want. You know, I'm currently outside right now, you know, filming amazing content. Life has completely changed for me, and this has all happened within a year, really. But over the last 2 years, I've been grinding, I've been working hard, and I've completely changed my life. And you guys can do the exact same thing. And to be honest, knowing the information that I know now, it only takes a few months for you guys to completely change your life, right? Because I've done that with a lot of my clients. And if you guys obviously don't believe me, click the link in the description, check out my testimonials, right? I've got a bunch of testimonials that you can check out from real people, including a 21-year-old, a 16-year-old, who've completely changed their lives, right? Now, just a quick one. If you guys are interested yourself and you do want to start an online business, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do, as I said earlier, we'll jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.